Nuts and spices can be a wonderful addition to a healthy diet, providing essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Here are some of the best nuts and spices for women's health problems. One of the best nuts for women's health are mentioned here: almonds. They are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats. Almonds support heart health, bone density, and may reduce symptoms of menopause. Walnuts. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Walnuts support heart health, cognitive function, and may reduce inflammation. Pecans rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, and magnesium. Pecans support heart health, bone density, and may reduce symptoms of menopause. Brazil nuts, which are rich in selenium, an essential mineral for immune function and thyroid health. Brazil nuts support immune function and may reduce cancer risk. Cashews are rich in magnesium, copper, and zinc. Cashews support bone health, immune function, and may reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Additionally, there are few daily use kitchen spices for women's health. One of very useful is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that supports joint health, reduces symptoms of PMS, and may reduce cancer risk. Ginger, which supports digestive health, reduces nausea and inflammation, and may reduce symptoms of menopause. Cinnamon is useful to lowers blood sugar levels, supports heart health, and may reduce symptoms of PMS. Cayenne pepper, which supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and may reduce symptoms of menopause. Saffron supports mood health, reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, and may reduce symptoms of PMS. Before starting any nuts or spices, few steps to be taken, and these are the tips for incorporating nuts and spices into your diet. Snack on nuts and seeds, aiming for 1 ounce 28 g per day. Add spices to meals, using them to flavor vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Make a warm drink by mixing spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon with milk or tea. Add nuts and seeds to oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for added crunch and nutrition. Experiment with new recipes that incorporate nuts and spices, such as curries, stir-fries, and baked goods. Remember to always choose unsalted, unsweetened, and unroasted options to reap the most benefits. Enjoy! Thanks for watching Healthy Eating.